So let's talk about what not to do when going rollerblading by yourself, for example. And I have experienced all of these things, so I'm talking out of experience. Check out that plane. Anyway, let's start. So first thing is, never go skating to a destination or road that you don't know anything about, because after every corner there may be some uneven surface, construction, maybe a hill that goes down, or something else, something dangerous. We had this skate where when it was dark and we had to turn, and there was a construction and there was no asphalt. So all of us, almost all of us, fell, and it was not nice. Also, don't leave your home without these things. First, water for drinking, obviously, but also when you fall, you can clean the wounds. I hope you don't fall. And yeah, water. I'm breaking my rule right now because I'm close to home, but I have been skating and for a long distance, and I didn't have any water, and it was so bad. It was so bad. I had to drink so bad and I couldn't. It was horrible. Second thing is bandages, and when you fall you can use your bandages, but also when your skate start to hurt, it's going to blister, it's going to hurt so bad, and when you have bandages you can put them on and you can skate home. And the third thing are Allen keys, and different sizes, because wheels, you can tighten the wheels if they come loose with one Allen key, and the frame, maybe it's a bigger one, so have the set with you. And we had this skate where this girl had a loose frame and it was very dangerous and we couldn't get it to tighten, so Allen keys. Okay, now next thing, listen, let me know if someone comes, okay? So I don't crash into them. But next thing is, don't wear too low socks or short socks, like ankle socks. Don't do it. At least till here, because the skates will hurt. If you're not a speed skater, of course. They wear very like ankle socks, basically. So tall socks. Next thing, don't skate near dogs. If you see a dog, just as much distance from a dog as you can, because you never know when they decide to jump. They seem friendly, they observe you, and when you're near them, they jump. So, and even if they have an owner with them, they jump and the leash will come here and you will just dive. And I have had this experience. Small dogs are usually more angrier, so beware of the dogs. The tags. Be aware of the tags. Yes. Don't go skating when it's raining. If you don't have spare bearings, because after a skate, when it's raining, what I do is take the skates home, and every hour I will just turn them. If you don't do it or lubricate them, they will get stuck, and the next morning you will have like wheels that just stuck. So if you have spare bearings or ceramic bearings, then it doesn't matter. Just go have fun with rain, do some slides and whatever. So yeah, it's quite beautiful here. Abandoned vehicles. Estonia is so rich country. We have abandoned Toyotas here. I think they went for a swim or something like that. Look at me go, look at me go. Anyway, I'm going off topic. So next. Oh yeah, I remembered. Don't think that the cars can see you. You can see everything, right, when you're skating. Not everything, but you understand what I mean. But cars, they have these metal bodies over them, covering them, so if they're not looking at their mirrors, and they're focusing on the road, you're too fast, you know? They can't see you. You come and they hit you. That's about it. And it doesn't matter who's at fault, you will get the most damage. It has happened multiple times. Almost get hit by a car. So beware of the dads and the cars. The next thing, don't grab a light pole or something, traffic sign pole, because if you grab it, it may seem safe. Let me show you. Oh yeah, I grabbed it, but you never know. There may be an ant. Okay, that's not the reason. Because when you grab it, yeah, I grabbed it, but the skates may still cause you to fall. So learn how to brake properly. I have a video that shows how to do a drag stop. So you don't have to grab to any poles. You're not a stripper, you know. So that's about it. Let me show you something. Oh, that was nice. Okay, anyway, bye.